Hi, babe. What you doing? Look at what she did. I wish I would have got that on camera.
Look at sister's here. Look. Here's one.
Sisters!
Natee's down there. Look. Natee's home.
Nate, what up?
What up? Here's another stick, guys.
Awesome! Look at how beautiful it is out here.
Get this right here. Look at, yeah. Look at all this water floating.
Yep, that's what she's doing.
Here, hold on.
It was like at a dead stop just like 5 minutes ago.
Ow, fuck. Sorry. Check out this. I don't know where to leave this shit, though. Backwards. Look at the rocks of the
Okay, right there.
Right? I'm like, wait a second, let me know.
Hi.
This is what I want.
Oh my goodness, don't do that.
Oh my god!
Whatever you do, baby, don't fall.
I'm in Shira mode, I'm good.
There's one log that's holding it up. Oh my god, what are you doing?
Trying to lift it? Are you trying to lift that one?
Oh my god, it's giving way! Ah!
Oh, there you go.
Why are you trusting that? Please explain while you're dry.
There you go.
That's baby doing her thing for Mother Nature. Dang, it's all flowing.
Right?
Flowing.
This was not like this when we got here.
No. I wish I would have got it on camera before.
I know. Ooh, but look at that. That's where the attention is necessary.
Where?
We're at the wrong spot. We're at the off spot.
But this was all stopped up
Right.
too.
That'll be next week's project. No.
Babe, what are you doing?
Oh my god.
She's like, I got this going.
Babe, you're crazy right
She's
now.
doing things.
My babe is being a super daredevil right now. Oh my god. Flowing. Say what's up.